Hello everyone, I am Sugat Pawar from the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I am going to implement 2-bit up counter using IC74LS76 on digital train. This is the design for 2-bit asynchronous up counter using IC7476. This IC contains 2 JK flip-flops. As we know that for asynchronous up counter, we provide external clock pulse to first flip-flop and output of first flip-flop will act as clock input of second flip-flop. So this is the design for 2-bit asynchronous up counter using IC7476. So here J1, K1 both are connected to VCC, that is pin number 4 and pin number 16. Q1 and Q1 bar will be the output of first JK flip-flop. J2 and K2, these two are the input for second flip-flop. Both are connected to VCC. Q2 and Q2 bar, these two are the outputs. Here they have also provided the clear and preset pin, but we are not using these 4 pins as these are active low pins, so we are going to connect these 4 pins to VCC. This is the external clock pulse, clock input, that is pin number 1. So according to this pin diagram or this pin structure, we will make a connections. First of all, make connection for VCC and ground. Pin number 5 is VCC. Pin number 13 is ground, as this IC is total 16 pin IC. So pin number 13 is ground. Pin number 4 and pin number 16, we have to connect these 2 pins to ground, VCC. Next pin number 2 and 3, I'll make it short and connect it to VCC. Pin number 1 is clock input. Pin number 15 is connected to pin number 6 of clock input of second flip-flop. Also I'll connect this pin number 15 to the output. Pin number 9 and 12, that is J2 and K2, both are connected to VCC. I'll make it short and connect it to VCC. Pin number 11 is output. That is Q2. Pin number 7 and 8, we are not using preset and clear, so I'll connect it to VCC. Pin number 14 and pin number 10. Pin number 14 and pin number 10 both are output pins, that is Q1 bar and Q2 bar. We are not using these 2 pins. I am done with connection. I'll switch on circuit. Now you can see the output is 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is the up counter. There is 2-bit up counter. It shows total 4 states, that is from 0 to 3. So this is also called as mod 4 counter. mod 4 up counter using IC 7476.
Thank you.